Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya, and today I am going to be doing slime versus squishy. And I'm going to be playing an act for Brianna. So let's get started. Comment down below if you guys like slime better or squishy better. Let's get started. I love squishies so much. Like, they're super squishy and they're better than slime, I think. Don't you, Brianna? No, I like slime better. It's super stretchy. I like
Maya, you gonna
really
wake my baby up.
hooky.
Maya, you can wake my
So
baby
I don't like squishies. Slime better.
I can't see you from me.
I'm really upset you don't like squishies. Better than this stupid
Guys,
slime.
still like like
Shush.
squishy. I mean like I do. Okay. They said they do.
Even she likes squishies. And
I
the super
don't.
slow rising, and you don't have to make it.
I don't like squishy.
They're really easy to buy and they're really cheap. And slime stuff is really expensive.
Ow! Oh, I would try this.
I still like slime and I
Wait,
hate squishies. Squishies.
Ow!
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 Well, this is what you get. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see that spot? I hate you! Come on, slime. We have to go.
My foot is broken. Yeah, I guess.
Come on, Squishy, we gotta go.